Hey guys, what's up? If your iPhone 17 series or iPhone Air is frozen, stuck on a black screen, or just acting weird, doing a force restart can usually fix it real quick. I've got my iPhone 17 Pro right here, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Alright, first, quickly press and release the volume up button. Don't hold it, just a quick press. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button on the right side of your iPhone. Keep holding it. Even when you see the Apple logo pop up, don't let go too early. Once the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo again, you can release it. That's it. Your iPhone will reboot and start fresh, and none of your data will be erased. This just forces your phone to restart when it's unresponsive or frozen. If this helped, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips.